Hello, people of the internet. Welcome to our model build. I am Kevin Cady, resident website editor / designer here at Small Addictions. And today I have brought with me my steps of our model of the 1966 Chevy Chevelle. So I was tasked with doing a bit more of the interior for this vehicle. I had to assemble and paint the dashboard and the side panels here, as you can see. I had to assemble the steering wheel, and the brake systems. They're hard to see as they're wedged in there, but for the most part, how I did this is I first put a base coat of beige tan Testors paint over the entirety of all sides. The reason I went for a beige tan is I noticed the cyan seating, and I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. Very ocean-like upholstery. I thought having like a nice, almost beach-like theme going for it. Moving forward, that's what I thought we'd shoot for here. With summer approaching, makes sense. Gotta think warm thoughts in these cold winters, that's for sure. So that's why I painted it as a base coat of tan beige from Testors. And then, again, like I said, hard to tell, but the brake systems I painted in a simple Testors gray. Very, nondescript. The doors, the handles, and rolling up mechanism for the windows, I also painted in the same gray. And I think, it came along pretty good. Not too shabby, if I say so myself. The only other details that I added, to give it a bit more of a texture to it, I used this AK wood base marker to color in a couple of the side panels. Again, very hard to see because it's the interior, but I painted the little side panels here, and I just liked how distinct it made everything look. So after I got everything painted and colored and everything, I simply assembled the dash, putting the steering wheel on and the gluing all this together, and the side panels, gluing them to the sides, and that's all I did for this next step of the process. Honestly, right now, I think it's coming together pretty good, and I'm excited to see what Eric does next week.